partnerships matter. They are the key to the success of the transformation. And while we've been able to accomplish great gains on our own as a district, we wouldn't be able to get as far as we've gotten without the partnerships of others.
One thing that gives me hope is to look at the career academies and the work that's happening there and the progress that's being made. I know the last couple of years have had a big impact on how some of our college students and young working professionals have been entering the workforce. And I really truly believe that the work that's happening at the career academies is giving our graduates a leg up. And it gives me hope that the future truly is bright.
Through the career academies, I was able to go on many internships and job shadowing. So it really helped with what I thought, what kind of work setting I would prefer in the future. Because going on those job shadowing trips, to me, they were really helpful because now I can manipulate where I want to go, where do I want to work, and what place is right for me.
We know schools can't do it alone. So then how do we, as community-based organizations, come alongside and support you? So here at Voces, we provide enrichment for the kids, activities to be able to support some of the learning that's going on in the school. It's a partnership that is ongoing. It's a partnership that's developing. It's happening. And that's what's important to us, that our families are being heard.
We gotta think beyond language access. When we talk about equity, it's about representation too. How are we making sure that even the expectations that we have of students, how are we teaching teachers to be mindful of the potential biases that they might have? And what does that look like when we infuse part of their culture and their history into the education system?
CIS is actually an abbreviation for Communities in Schools, and we are an organization where we are housed in the schools. So this is free for the students. If they ever come down and if they're in gym class and they possibly need deodorant, we have hair supplies, face masks, feminine products, dish soap, detergent, just anything to make it better for our students and to support their needs.
For Burma Center, we know that our community thrives when we all thrive. This is why we work so closely with Urban League as well as with VOCES and other entities in the area, because we know we're all interconnected.
It was a really no-brainer for us, thinking that we can extend our healthcare expertise to schools and to help students be well so they can do well.
Our partnership with Grace Health has afforded us the opportunity to create school-based healthcare service, and that means that students don't have to miss school to get access to healthcare.
The Grace Health Center it's so awesome because it's like a huge doctor's office, and they literally have everything there.
To sit at the table with organizations and community leaders who are all invested in the success of the children in the community has created substantial gains. We didn't do this by ourselves. We really leveraged the partnerships of all of the community in order to move the needle for kids. And because I've seen that over the last 5 years, and I've seen the power of collective impact, that gives me hope, because I know that we'll continue to grow so that every child gets what they need and that we see every student by name, need, and strength.